It's Kanicki.
Kanicki.
All right, put those things back in the car, Dicks.
Jeez, what a grouch. He was only holding them for you so nobody would swipe them.
Hey, where'd you get these cool dice?
Tiggy, what are you doing with this fucking junk anyway? What do you mean? This is grease lightning.
Ha! You expect to make out in this sardine can?
Get to bed, Martier.
Nice color. What is it, candy apple primer?
Yeah, all right. Wait till I give her a paint job and soup up the engine. She'll work like a champ. Well, this car could be automatic, systematic, hydromatic. Why, it could be grease lightning.
Keep talking, oh, keep talking.
Protection got up and roll, let it rot, oh yeah.
I want the money, I'll kill for the money.
When the boss feet on the floor, we're waiting at the door. You know it ain't no shit when we get lots of tit grease lightning.
Go.
Grease lightning, you're running up the floor.
Grease lightning, go. Grease lightning, go.
Grease lightning, you're pushing through the heat like a throttle.
Grease lightning, go. Grease lightning.
You want some green? The chicks are green. Grease lightning. Taillights and 30-inch fins. Palomino dashboard, new on the twinkles, oh yeah. When you piss as much as sharks, I can get off my rocks. You know that I'm bragging, she's a real pussy like a grease lightning.
Go.
Grease lightning, you're running up the floor.
Grease lightning, go. Grease lightning, go.
Grease lightning, you're pushing through the heat like a throttle.
Grease lightning, go. Grease lightning.
You want some green? The chicks are green. Grease lightning. This is it. Ain't it cool?
Yeah, it's about as cool as a good humor truck. Got it pretty right standing in the truck, oh yeah. The muffler's dragging in the beat like a duck, oh yeah. And you're broken with your pains, you are full of cute stains. You're really not proud of the big bad without a grease lightning. No, grease lightning, no, that's a quarter mile.
Plenty of chicks would get down on their knees right around this little number.
Oh, yeah, sure they would. Out. Out! What do you think this is, a peep show? Hey, Danny, just left your girlfriend at Marty's house flashing all over the place.
What are you talking about?
Sandy Dombrowski. Oh, sorry. Sandra T.
Hey, be cool, you guys.
Bertolletto Rizzo.
No fuzz. You guys better ditch these hubcaps.
What do you mean, man? They're yours.
Oh, no, they're not. I stole them.